Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to play All Hell for a Basement, updated. Start by learning the main riff slowly and count bars precisely, then lock the tempo with a metronome, and mark repeats clearly on your chart so you avoid confusion on stage while practicing transitions cleanly and building up speed gradually for performance readiness. Warm up with chromatic runs before attacking the heavy riffs to protect your hands. Then focus on consistent pick attack to keep articulation clear under distortion. Experiment with EQ to find a balance between bass punch and mid-range clarity. And practice transitions with a drum loop so timing feels natural and dynamics land where the song needs impact. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for practice sessions because it fills the room with clear sound and responds to voice commands so you can change tracks hands-free during rehearsals, and its compact size fits any rehearsal space perfectly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Break the song into manageable sections and label them on your chart to simplify rehearsals. Decide which riffs to emphasize live and where to simplify parts to avoid clutter. Rehearse with the whole band at reduced volume to hear balance, and agree on cues for tempo changes so everyone stays locked during intense passages and the performance feels tight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.